Greetings friends, today we're looking at editor shortcuts within Visual Studio Code. Before we jump in though, if you do find yourself enjoying this video, feel free to click on that subscribe button below and the bell alert icon. Okay, I've got Visual Studio Code open here. Let's have a look at some of the ones I use most frequently. Now, I've got the Explorer window open on the left at the moment, but if I needed some more real estate on this side, particularly if we'd split the window, so say we've got two windows open, so we're struggling for a bit of horizontal space, I can get rid of the Explorer by doing Ctrl+B. You can do this from the File menu, it's just a bit clunky, but Ctrl and B will toggle it off, and Ctrl+B will toggle it back when you're ready for it. So while we've got, say, two windows open, we can get rid of that, and then when we go back to the one, not a problem to have it there. So Ctrl+B, very quick to be able to do that for us. Also, say, because that's a toggle, so say I'm on the debug window, you know, I can Ctrl+B on that, and Ctrl+B will bring the debug window back, so it doesn't change which one. But if I want to get back to Explorer, I can explicitly open that one, even with this open. So Ctrl+Shift+E brings me back to the Explorer window. Whether there's nothing up at all, Ctrl+Shift+E, it's coming up, or whether we're just on another pane in there, say the extensions pane, Ctrl+Shift+E. So those two in conjunction, Ctrl+B and Ctrl+Shift+E, give you a lot of control over when and what is displayed on that left window. There's other shortcuts for bringing up extensions and debug, but they're not going to be used so much, so it's going to be a problem to come in and click over here or use the File menu. Okay, so that's the first one. Now, if you need to change the settings, a quick way to bring that up is Control and comma. That will bring the settings. We can be changing things in, say, PRETTIER in here. We can be changing things on how and what happens when we save and how frequently it does that. As soon as you're finished in there, just click X and it will save that off for you. Okay, and one last one before we go. Ctrl+Shift+P will bring up the command palette and we can run applications from within there. So just go on the Ctrl+Shift+P, brings up the command palette there. Okay, just three quick Visual Studio editor shortcuts there. Hope they're useful. Give me a thumbs up if you like that video, thumbs down if you didn't, and thanks very much for watching. Bye.